The best prize is work worth doing. Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters. Colossians 3:23. The true reward in life isn't fame, money, or applause, it's purpose. It's waking up every day to do work that matters, work that builds, work that impacts. Entrepreneurship isn't just about building wealth, it's about building worth. And the greatest prize isn't in the paycheck, it's in the purpose behind it. When your work is aligned with your calling, even the hard days hold meaning. That's why the most fulfilled entrepreneurs aren't chasing validation, they're chasing significance. So, if you've been doubting your progress or questioning your path, remember this. God didn't call you to be successful first, He called you to be faithful. Because in His kingdom, faithfulness is success. Do the work worth doing. The prize is already in the purpose.